Have you ever wondered why some people are rich while others struggle with money? Well, in this video, I am going to reveal 5 key money principles that can make anyone rich. It's not about working harder, but working smarter. It's not about luck, but about setting the right strategies. We often miss the point when it comes to wealth creation. We believe that a high-paying job or winning the lottery is our ticket to riches. We try to fix our financial situation by cutting back on expenses or saving every penny. But these strategies rarely lead to the financial freedom we seek. Why do these problems persist? It's because we're not addressing the root cause. We're not focusing on the right principles. But what if I told you, you can change your financial circumstances by understanding and applying these 5 principles? Intriguing, isn't it? Imagine you are a young professional trying to save money, but you're stuck in a job that barely covers your expenses. Now this is where most people get it wrong. They cling to the misconception that a single job is the golden ticket to financial stability. They believe that sticking to their 9 to 5 is the only way to earn money. But let's debunk that myth right here, right now. The truth is, relying on a single income stream is like putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a risky game to play. So, what's the alternative? It's simple. Explore multiple avenues to earn money. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate, or even turning a hobby into a profitable venture. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm already swamped with work. How can I possibly manage more? Well, it's not about working harder, but working smarter. Automation and delegation are your friends. Use technology to automate tasks, or outsource to freelancers. The key here is to create passive income streams that don't require your constant attention. Now let's talk benefits. Having multiple income streams not only increases your earning potential, but also creates a safety net. If one source of income takes a hit, the others can keep you afloat. It's like having multiple parachutes instead of one. It also allows you to experiment and discover what works best for you. You're not stuck in a job you hate because it's your only source of income. You have the freedom to explore, innovate, and grow. And remember, it's not about chasing every shiny new opportunity, it's about finding what aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. It's about creating a balanced portfolio of income streams that can weather any storm. So take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Don't limit yourself to a single path. Explore multiple avenues and you'll find that the road to wealth is not as narrow as you once thought. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a safety net for yourself and accelerate your path to wealth. Suppose you're struggling to grow your business and you're blaming external factors for this. You've tried different strategies, different approaches, but nothing seems to work. You're stuck and you don't know why. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your business growth might be personal development? It's easy to overlook, but many business problems are actually personal problems in disguise. You might think that your business isn't growing because of market conditions or because you're not getting enough customers. But often, these are symptoms of underlying personal issues. Maybe you're not communicating effectively with your team. Maybe you're not managing your time well. Maybe you lack the confidence to make bold business decisions. All these are personal issues that can have a significant impact on your business. So, how do you address these personal issues? It starts with self-awareness. Recognize your strengths, but more importantly, acknowledge your weaknesses. Be honest with yourself. Once you have done this, you can start working on improving yourself. This could mean reading books to gain new knowledge, enrolling in courses to learn new skills, or seeking a mentor to guide you. Remember, personal development is not a one-time thing. It's a lifelong journey. It's about constantly learning, improving, and growing. And as you grow personally, your business will grow too. It's like a domino effect. When you improve your communication skills, you'll be able to convey your vision more effectively to your team. When you manage your time better, you'll be able to accomplish more each day. When you build your confidence, you'll be able to make decisions more decisively. The benefits of personal development are manifold. Not only will it lead to business growth, but it will also lead to personal satisfaction. You'll feel more competent, more capable, and more in control. You'll be a better leader, a better entrepreneur, and a better person. By focusing on personal growth, you can effectively tackle your business challenges and pave your way to wealth. So, don't ignore personal development, embrace it, invest in it, and watch as it transforms not just your business, but your life. Imagine you're constantly looking for investment opportunities outside but ignoring the most valuable asset you possess. Now that's a common misconception, isn't it? We tend to think of investment in terms of stocks, real estate, or maybe even a promising startup. But what about investing in the one thing that's truly in your control? Yourself. Investing in yourself is the cornerstone of financial success. It's about acquiring and strengthening your skills, knowledge, and abilities. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. That's an asset that won't depreciate over time. In fact, it's likely to appreciate, and the returns can be phenomenal. So where do you start? How do you invest in yourself? Well, it could be as simple as picking up a new book, enrolling in a course, or learning a new language. It could be about developing a healthier lifestyle or nurturing a positive mindset. Each of these actions enhances your personal value, and thereby, your financial value. The common misconception is that these activities don't directly translate into monetary benefits, but that's a narrow way of viewing it. For instance, learning a new language can open up opportunities in different markets. A positive mindset can help you face challenges with resilience, and a healthier lifestyle can boost your productivity. Each of these aspects can indirectly contribute to your financial growth. Let's take a moment to visualize the benefits. Picture yourself a year from now, having invested in personal development. You're more knowledgeable, more skilled, and more resilient. You're better equipped to seize opportunities and navigate challenges. Your value in the marketplace has increased, and with it, your financial stability and growth. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. It's about believing in your potential and investing time, effort, and resources to unlock it. It's about creating a version of yourself that's not just richer in terms of money, but also in terms of knowledge, skills, and experiences. So go ahead, invest in yourself. It's the one investment that guarantees the best returns. Suppose you're working hard, but distractions and bad habits are pulling you back. You're not alone. Many of us have been in this same boat, paddling furiously against the current, but not making much headway. The problem? We're often our own worst enemies, allowing distractions and negative influences to hinder our journey towards financial success. Imagine a racehorse with blinders on. The horse's focus is entirely on the track ahead, not the distractions on the sidelines. That's how we need to approach our financial journey, with laser-sharp focus. But it's easier said than done, right? The world is full of distractions, and our own bad habits can often lead us astray. That's where the principle of letting go of hindrances comes in. It's about consciously eliminating distractions and negative influences from our life. This could be time-wasting activities, unhealthy relationships, or any bad habits that are impeding our progress. It's not an overnight process. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. It requires us to be honest with ourselves and take responsibility for our actions. But the payoff is huge. By eliminating these barriers, we can create a clear path towards financial success. This principle is beneficial because it leads to better focus and productivity. When we're not being pulled in a million different directions, we can channel our energy into what truly matters, our financial goals. So, let's start today. Let's identify those hindrances and make a commitment to let them go. By eliminating these barriers, you can create a clear path towards financial success. Imagine you're working tirelessly but without a clear direction or purpose. You're like a ship sailing in the vast ocean without a compass. You might be moving, but are you really getting anywhere? This is where the concept of setting powerful personal goals comes into play. Often we fall into the trap of setting vague or shallow goals like, I want to be rich. But what does rich even mean? Is it just about the money in the bank? Or does it entail something deeper like financial security, independence, or the ability to provide for loved ones? It's crucial to set goals that have a profound personal significance. These goals, motivated by love or a deep sense of commitment, can serve as the strong driving force that propels you towards achieving wealth. So, how do we set these powerful personal goals? Begin with introspection. Understand what truly matters to you. Then, translate these values into tangible, measurable goals. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So formulate a step-by-step strategy to reach these goals. The benefits of setting powerful personal goals are manifold. They give you a sense of direction, keep you motivated during tough times, and provide a yardstick to measure your progress. Most importantly, they give your wealth creation journey a purpose that goes beyond just accumulating money. Setting powerful personal goals can be the compass that guides you to your wealth destination. Now you know the 5 principles that can make anyone rich. First, never hesitate to explore multiple avenues to earn money. Keep an open mind and adapt to what works best for you. Second, Remember that personal development is key. Many business problems are actually personal problems in disguise. Third, invest in yourself. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets. Fourth, let go of hindrances. Free yourself from distractions, bad habits, or toxic relationships that hold you back. Lastly, set powerful, meaningful personal goals. These are the driving forces that will push you towards success. Let's put these principles into practice. Start today, and you'll soon see the difference they can make in your life. I look forward to hearing about your journey towards wealth. Do share your experiences in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, your wealth journey starts today.